y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to bring you the site gain.gg, a new get paid to site that I stumbled across. I think it has some interesting ways to get paid, some good ways to make some money. So I want to bring it to your attention. So this is the homepage, and you see it really just shows you different offer walls that you can choose from. All of these down here as well. And the thing about it is, I like how they offer this bonus right here, plus 50% bonus, in the studio wall right here. The AdGate Media wall, a very popular offer wall where you can make money. It's doing simple things like signing up for different tasks. I just want to show you some real quick when I click on it and just show you some of the things that they're offering with this offer wall. So you'll see here the different offers that they have. You kind of just scroll down, you can kind of find something that you want right here. Sign up with valid information to give you 960 points. Now, I will show you what the points equate to in a minute, but I'm just showing you how easy these offers are. Right here, sign up for the club, confirm your email, and browse your baby freebies and offers. 648 points for doing that. Create a new account, 1,700 points. Register for this, 1,200. I mean, this is easy stuff. Look, play games, finish the survey, 720 points. So you see how easy the process is when you're doing offers. I mean, just look at what they're asking you to do. None of them really, well, some of them might require money, but you can really focus on the free ones because there's lots of free offers in here. A lot of them just want new members, and if it's something that you want to keep, you can keep it. If it's something that you don't want, you can always, take it away. Again, sign up with valid information, 270 points. A lot of times you're just signing up with an email. You can use an email that you don't really care about so you don't get spammed a lot, but just do it so you can get the points. And you scroll down, there's lots of different ways. Look right here. Listen to 2 ringtones, 18 points. You know what I'm saying? So lots of different easy offers that you can choose from and look at when you're on this site. I'm just kind of going back to the homepage now. If you will see at the top right here, all of these different users, and it shows the amount of points that they're getting. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody's doing something on here. They're getting points. They're doing a lot of these ease offers that I just showed you. So you can just jump in on that. I did one. I got 407 points for that. And I can't cash that out yet, but I'm not far from the cash. That equates to about 40 cents, by the way. So it's not difficult to cash out on this site because they have a very low minimum. Again, like I just signed up for it. There's some stuff I have to do right here. You have to earn at least 3,000 points to unlock some of these things, which isn't difficult when you do the offers here. I just showed you how easy these were. So like really just unlocking things. Not really a fan of, you have to get a certain amount of points to unlock an offer wall, but at the same time, it's like when they're giving you offers where you just sign up with your email. I mean, those are really simple to do. It's a very trustworthy site that I've gotten word from. I've seen people getting paid from it, so I know it's legit. And down here, they have some other ones that you can choose from that are actually already unlocked and are free. Time wall is a really good one. On this one, you're really just clicking on ads for like 30 seconds and you're getting paid just like that. They actually have their own offer wall that they're working with and, bring you different offers as well. So, there's plenty of ways to make money on here with the offers. I think offers are a really good way to make money just because of how simple it is. You don't really have to worry about getting disqualified if you just do what the offer is asking you to do. And again, you'll see all these people that are continuing to, make money with this site. All right. So when it comes to the withdrawal, when you want to cash out, these are all the different options that they have right here. Now they have 6 different options. PayPal is a popular one. You need a minimum of 7,500 coins, which is equivalent to $7.50, right? They got some other ones right here. Right here, the minimum I think on there is 50 cents. Right here, Litecoin, 500 coins, 50 cents. I got 407. That's about 40 cents, like I said. But the thing is, you can get paid in crypto. Litecoin, they got Bitcoin as well. I think Bitcoin is about $10. Yeah, $10 minimum for that. But the thing is, just look at it as the minimum to cash out on this site is 50 cents. It takes you no time to make 50 cents. So very low minimum on this site. Lots of different offers you can choose from. You can even play around and do some surveys. So I just want to show you this free site. The link to sign up is in the description. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.